Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Duolingo. So let's get started. Download the Duolingo app or visit the Duolingo website. Sign up for an account using your email, Facebook, Google or Apple account. Select the language you want to learn from the available options. If you are familiar with the language, take a placement test to access your level. It's optional but helps you start at an appropriate skill level. Duolingo divides learning into lessons, focusing on vocabulary, grammar, reading, writing, and speaking. Walk through each lesson, completing exercises that include matching words, translating sentence, and speaking exercise. Earn points by completing lessons and maintaining a streak by practicing daily. Collect gems by completing challenges and maintaining your streak. Duolingo's algorithm adapts to your learning style and prompts review sessions for previously learned content to reinforce your knowledge. Listening and speaking exercise. Duolingo offers listening and speaking exercise to improve your understanding and pronunciation. Unlock levels and progress. Complete lessons to unlock new levels and progress through the language tree, advancing to more complex topics. Use tips and notes. Access grammar tips and notes available within lesson to understand language rules and concept. Join clubs and challenges. Engage with the community by joining Duolingo clubs or participating in challenges to practice with other learners. Duolingo stories and podcast. Explore additional features like Duolingo stories, reading comprehension, and Duolingo podcast for impressive learning experience. Track your progress. Monitor your progress by checking your profile to see the lessons completed. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.